Let me tell you about 3 trending pieces. If you've been on the fence about spending on jewelry, these are going to push you out of it. And the first one, I want you to look at the chain before you even look at the pendant. These little diamond florals running the whole length, ruby centers, diamond petals. The chain is doing as much work as the pendant. This one, very inch of it is intentional. And then this Russian emerald cushion pendant at the bottom, that color, that blue green. It sits against your skin and looks like you borrowed it from somewhere very expensive. You did not borrow it, you own it, and that's the energy. The second one is my personal favorite, Russian emeralds. Look at that color. It's not quite green, it's not quite blue. It's the color of ocean in a place that you haven't been yet. And the polki setting around it, gold, uncut diamonds, and little drops underneath. This pendant has more personality than most full necklaces I've ever seen. The kind of piece where someone asks where you get it and you just smile, you don't tell them. And the third one, same chain DNA as the other two. Diamond florals, greenstone centers this time. But the pendant, triangular Russian emerald. Shield cut, polki halo all the way around. It's the most modern silhouette of all the three. You could either wear this on a Tuesday along with a kurta, or you can wear this to a cocktail dinner on a Saturday. It genuinely doesn't care about the occasion, which honestly, neither should you. A special shout out to these trending tiger nail pendants. The amalgamation of beautifully carved stones and the pearls with devotional motifs make them so worth your money. Pair them with a pearl mala or beads or any combination of your choice. It looks so regal. So all these pieces are available at our store Musidilal Bashir Bagh. You have to come see them in person because stones need light, the real light, and not screen light.